Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix BMW seat issues. First, begin by checking the basic functionality of your seat. Does it move at all, or are specific functions failing? Listen carefully for any motor sounds when you press the adjustment buttons. This initial check helps pinpoint whether the problem is electrical, mechanical, or a combination of both. A systematic approach saves time and effort. Many BMW seat problems stem from electrical faults. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of your seat motors. A lack of continuity often indicates a failed motor. Also, confirm that the seat control module is receiving proper power. If wiring appears frayed or connectors are loose, carefully repair or replace them. Addressing these electrical components can often restore full function to your seat, saving you significant repair costs. Sometimes, the issue is purely mechanical. Start by lubricating all moving parts and seat tracks with a suitable silicone spray to reduce friction. Inspect the seat frame for any signs of bending or breakage, which can impede movement. Also, confirm that all mounting bolts are securely tightened, as loose hardware can cause unexpected seat behavior. Addressing these mechanical aspects can often resolve stiffness or grinding noises. For persistent or complex issues, you might need to consider replacing the entire seat control module, as internal failures are common. Regular maintenance, like vacuuming and cleaning around the seat mechanisms, prevents debris from causing future problems. Remember, proactive care extends the life of your seat components. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.